All right, guys, it's Christmas here in Jamaica. I'm here Christmas morning. We're just, preparing some food. It is 12 o'clock. We don't eat no breakfast yet. The Sprat just cooked. My mama upstairs making some festival and everything. So we're going to check it out. It's a typical Christmas for me looks like with me and my family. So check in here.
I can roll my dough. I can roll the
All right,
dough.
this is the festival. Good job. Yeah. This is the Sprat we have here with the escovitch sauce.
Circle.
This is it. The stew. Hello. So the bro here doing the pot. We're going to do some fish, lion fish. Just done the Sprat. All right, guys, the pot is ready. Look at the pot. We're gonna prepare the garlic. I'm gonna drop it in with the scallion and the pepper. Ooh. Wait, the pimento. Woo.
You don't want a long time.
Woo. So we'll step back, cause the pimento are gonna start pop now. Woi, pop, pop. Yeah, ready for the fish. Lion fish. This pot is hot. Lord of mercy, I'll burn me. Hey, catch me. No. All right, chef, overlooking.
About 5 more minutes. Lion fish don't take long, alright guys?
It don't take long to fry up.
No.
Yeah, this look good. Alright.
I just go back inside. I just some of this and say there's no other way. Because my responsibility.
Sure.
Yeah.
Oh, we're putting the Mannish Water already.
Keep that.
Nothing? Yeah. Where you put
Colin!
water?
Where?
Already get the goat head in there.
Yeah, the goat meat, just the meat tonight, you know.
Oh, the goat.
Or just the just the meat tonight right now. Because that's for boil out first, you know.
Okay, so we'll boil out the.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. Look good.
Just see me. But if you come back one way, I do.
Alright, so we're turning. That looks good. That looks good.
Better than the Christmas tree.
I want my extra crispy. Oh, alright, so chef, what we're doing now?
Good.
Alright, curry goat, we're gonna do? Alright, so the chef is gonna take us through the curry goat process. So this is the fire blazing hot. So this is typical Jamaican Christmas. Lots of food cooking, We are preparing the mutton. So I have the pot here. Oh, that pot looks small. that curry.
Oh, me look like you over the oil again. That's right. You look like a guilty. Can do. Mama said, the fire.
Bust the pepper.
Pepper boss, mama. Oh, how are you?
Ooh. Careful.
How are you then? Yeah, catch it.
All right, guys. So I am ready for my breakfast at 2 o'clock, right? So this is the sprat. Gonna take some of this sprat. I like when my sprat fry very crispy. So we are gonna have, I'll take 2 for now. And we'll have the escovitch sauce on the fish. The escovitch sauce. So yep. And my mom, cause my mother is the chef around here, not really me. We're gonna eat some festival. I'm gonna take 2, just 2. Yeah, that should be it for now, cause I was kind of munching on some bread. Then of course, can't have Jamaican breakfast without the chocolate tea, the real chocolate tea, right? So my mother made this. She got up very early and made this, thanks to mommy, right? Can't wait to have some of this. Look how rich and thick this is, right? Look at this. Look at this. Woo. I'm gonna show you how my mother make it. So yep, nice and rich. I'm not gonna fill it up too much, but all right, guys. My sprat here and my festival, and of course my chocolate tea in my Christmas cup. Hot. Remember when you're drinking chocolate tea, when it's hot, it burn your lip. What are you talking about? This is so good. All right, guys. Sorry to hear there. I finished my food, my first meal for the day, drinking my chocolate tea, and I'm enjoying my Christmas so far. I'm here with family, just enjoying capturing some amazing content. So yeah, see there. We are going to check on the Mannish Water. I doubt it's ready to go. It's taking a while to cook, so we're going to check it out. We have the fork here to grab the meat. Already it. Far from it.
Yeah, man, you see? When you were this, when you were to use a while ago, far from it. Alright. So your mother come with corn now, so it's not ready here. You see?
Yeah.
You get a picture. You never have to press on it. You can see say it's a good way to go.
Yeah, it's tough.
Yeah, man, that one picture from there.
All right, this is the food that's for the Mannish Water. We have the okra, dumpling with cocoa. So, yeah. We're gonna get the ham now. This is the ham. Looking juicy. All right. Woo, hear that? How long How long are you going to test it now?
I'm gonna test it now, but it's a pre-cooked ham, so.
Pre-cook ham, so this is it. There's nothing. It's not like in back in the day ham.
Right, yeah. See if it was. Yeah. I mean, it's pre-cooked, so it's pretty much ready. Just gonna dress it. We're gonna take off the skin, and we gotta flip it.
Yeah, we're gonna flip it. Okay. Oh, hold on. Bring it over. Yeah, flip it. All right. So we're flipping the ham. We're gonna cut off the skin. Yeah. Let me hold it. You want something to put this? Hold on there. Let me get that. So this is the sauce. What we have in the sauce?
We have pineapple juice, some sugar, brown sugar, and some Dijon
Okay.
mustard.
Okay.
Yeah.
All
So
right.
we're gonna dress it.
All right. So we're gonna put some pineapples on it
Yes, we're gonna.
and
put
cherries. Okay. Good.
some cloves.
So you don't normally slice?
Yeah, man, we're gonna slice this one.
Okay. Slicing it up now. Oh, nice. It's look good. Nice. I'm using the cloves. To garnish the ham. Just. Alright. Put this in the oven for.
Till it's ready.
Like what is cocoa, carrot in the pot to kind of make it thick up. Yeah. Woo! Smell good. Nice. Testing. Cook. Alright, so we're just gonna make this stay for a little bit. So we're gonna put some seasoning.
Scallion, tomato, a little green sweet pepper and onions.
Alright. So hold on there. The cocoa and thing, yeah. So we're gonna add the pot smell good. Give it a little stir.
After not the pot, you know.
That meat look tender. Yeah. Wonder how the rice looking. Alright, go. Alright, so we're almost there. We're gonna put in the thyme. Yeah. Curry smell good. Love how that smell. Mix up that. How much longer on the meat?
About 10 minutes.
10 more minutes and yeah. Good to go. Look good. Yes? Alright. Yeah. Alright. Alright. This is from the Mannish Water. We have some yam. Alright. Cool. Head into the mountain now, to the Mannish Water. Let's see. Let's go. Yeah, should I put in these
those?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, I just put in this one first.
Come on.
You never get that?
Yeah, I did. That's the okra.
Sit down.
The breadfruit. Alright. So the banana going last.
Yeah.
So they're not going to take long to cook.
You know, I'm telling you.
So you're just going to make those cook first.
Mm-hmm.
You're going to just make the okra them cook first. But that not take long though.
No, no. I put in the banana now.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
No, me no see.
So I forgot to tell you that we had put in the okra and the breadfruit before we had put in the banana. So this is it. And we're just going to make that cook for a little bit. This. All right, we're about to put in the pepper. Yeah. All right, just like that. All right. Breadfruit. That's from our tree, Daddy?
Yeah.
So you're going to roast it now?
Yeah, as soon as this,
Finish.
yeah, I can go use this in the interest of time. But I was saying that the first year, I can remember for a long time that me get breakfast off and she drink cuisine. She
Oh.
said cocoa was in it, you know.
Oh, she said so cocoa was in it?
Yeah.
So about how long? She said she could put in the seasoning now.
Yeah,
Where should I?
pan on.
And then after that, it just...
Yeah, it just simmer down.
This is the seasoning. Alright, and then we're just waiting on the scallion. Just need to scrape out that. Uh-oh. Pimento. Maggi seasoning. What is this? Cock soup, right? Alright. What's that? The scallion. Look good. Smell good. Longer?
About half an hour, 15 minutes.
15 minutes. Huh?
15 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay.
15 minutes because the seasoning went in.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because the food would have been cooked already.
Yeah. Alright. So what's going on with the curry goat? Alright. Oh, the curry goat looking, chef. You did put more salt in it? Oh, you put more water? Oh.
No, how much still? Spring. Still, so the piece of meat is kind of chewy, so,
So you're gonna make it... You put more salt in it?
Gravy get short.
You put more salt in it?
No, man, it's
It's
mad.
okay. It's okay.
I tell.
Yeah.
You know.
So you ready?
Go on, come down a quick. That one, so don't cover it. So I'm leave it open.
Whether you cover it or not, it's still going to go down.
My mom skip it.
So the ham, wow, that look good. Ooh, hear that no? Hear that sizzle there? Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. Look good. So here we have the ham, looking good, looking good, looking excellent. Hope it tastes good. I know it will taste good. All right, guys. So we have the gungo peas here. Mommy doing some macaroni. This is the ham. We have the ham here. So yeah, we're almost there, almost there, almost there. That look good. I was waiting. So we're gonna do the rice. So this is the seasoning: pepper, scallion, garlic, thyme. Throw it in there. Yeah, man, that's fine. Coconut powder. Oops. Oh, that's fine. With a bit of coconut oil. Coconut oil. Yep. Give it a little more flavor. Authentic coconut flavor, yes. And you just boil it up. Make it bubble, right? Then we're gonna put in the rice. After that. Oh no, not with this. Gonna put some of the, I'm gonna say Maggi all-purpose seasoning. All right. Wait. All right, we're gonna put the rice in. Pot smell good. Yeah, you gonna put that in now?
Yeah.
All right, go on. Yeah, man, all right. That's it, man. All right, so we're gonna let this steam for 15 minutes. All right, and then turn on the fire. All righty. All right, guys, this is the rice. Oh, woo, steaming hot. Smells good. Everything wrong in this pot smells good. Why not this pot? Nothing. All right, so that's it. And we'll have the ham here ready and the rest of the food. So can't wait to dig in and show you my food. Yum, 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 yum. Best time of the year. Oh, and we do have sorrel. I'm gonna take a glass now and we'll have Christmas cake. Christmas cake. Grutta bread. Yeah. All right, I'm about to drink some sorrel. Just taking a little bit. This missing some red wine. Rum. This needs some rum, but yeah. God. This is the Mannish water, look really rich and nice. And I'm gonna try it. My Christmas dinner right now, we have curry mutton, have a piece of ham, have my macaroni and cheese salad, and rice and peas here. It is a lot, but this is how we do things. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.